Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 43 from Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science. And today we have a worksheet of force and law of motion, only the revision of the chapter. Gyan, what have you learned so far about the force and the laws of the motion? Jigyasa Didi, I have learned many things. So student, let's move with the Jigyasa and the Gyan in the revision time of the force and law of motion. Let's start with me. First student, force. What is force? Force means the push or the pull. And what is the unit of force, student? Newton, that is also called kilometer per meter, kg meter per second square or Newton. And what is the definition of 1 Newton, student? It is the answer of your first question. 1 unit of force is defined as the amount that produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in an object of 1 kg mass. So student, if we require a force to move an object of 1 kg with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, that is called 1 Newton. Okay. Now there are two types of forces. First is balance force, second is unbalanced force. What is balance force, student? If the resultant force is 0. What is unbalanced force? If the resultant force is not 0. For example, in a tug of war game. In a tug of war game, both teams apply their efforts from the opposite direction, but one team wins. Who? Which apply more force than other team. So this is the example of unbalanced force. Now what are the laws of motion? So student, there are the 3 laws of the Newton. First law, according to the first law, any object remains in the state of the rest or in the uniform motion unless compelled to change by an applied force. So student, until you apply a force on it, it can't change by itself. Okay. Now the second law, the rate of change of the momentum of an object is directly proportional to the unbalanced force. So what is the formula, student? F is equal to ma. And what are the example of second law of motion? First, the cricketer lift his hands back, pull his hands backward at the time of the catching to avoid the injury. And the second, a karate player hits the ice slab suddenly to decrease the time and increase the force. What is inertia, student? The tendency to resist the change. This is the answer of your fifth question, student. What is the mass? The measurement of inertia is called mass. Now move on to our third law, student. What is the third law? According to the third law, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. I think this is also clear up to you. Last is our law of conservation of momentum. What is the law of conservation of momentum? The total momentum of a system before and after collision remains the constant. It means before collision, on collision and after collision, in all the situation momentums remain constant. Okay student, first question we done. What is the SI unit of momentum? SI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second and force, that is kilogram meter per second square or Newton. Third question, state the 3 laws of the motion. So you have to state these 3 laws, student. This is your third answer. 1, 2, 3. You have to state these 3 laws. Fourth one, write 2 applications. First, I told you that a karate player pull his hands back while time of the catching to avoid the injury. Second, a karate player hits the ice slab suddenly to decrease the time and increase the force. And student, at last you notice there is a message from our government related to the COVID. And what is the message? Please note it carefully. Wash your hands with the soap and water regularly. So student, I think government knows that all you are aware. You wear mask properly, you sanitize, you also follow social distancing. But at home, if you are doing some work, so before and after doing that work, please wash your hand with the soap and water regularly to avoid any type of infection, student. Okay, because the weather is going to climb changing, and due to this many diseases start to born in the atmosphere. So please stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home, and follow the instructions to avoid the corona and any other infection at that time, students. And if you like the revision of the chapter, like our channel, share with your friends, and subscribe the Learning Light, and please hit the bell icon. Thank you, beta.